Guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, I'm sitting here wondering, guys, have you sat down and wondered why Ubaloyi was doing all this drama about Mabungu's evidence? There could be so many reasons. This is Baloyi that we are referring to. This is Baloyi that we are referring to. And there is something that Uramsipile noted, guys. Uramsipile noted that Ubaloyi is the one that is doing the heads of arguments. But the entire time, the person that was dealing with Mncube and doing objections and stuff, it has been Usibanda. Chiki Chiki now Mncube is dealing with Ubaloyi. What exactly is that? And he brought law law in a form of an authority of a certain case. I forgot what he said. Now, I'm sitting here wondering what Ramsipile said, because I also had a question when it comes to that. Now, I am coming with another theory. Now, this is my theory when it comes to what is happening right now. We may be focusing on the Section 205 of Mabungu Ntuli, ne? It might not go anywhere, by the way. Chances are it might not go anywhere. Chances are it might go somewhere. We don't know. We will see on Monday when Judge Rata finally decides that he is going to give state a leeway or not. Now, at this point, we don't even care about Judge Rata and what he wants to do. Now, what I wanted us to focus on actually now is that, is it possible that Ubaloyi did all of this drama, created all of this drama because he felt like, Sibanda, you can't be the one that is doing a cross-examination. What if that is where they are heading? Because the new state defense might say something and who's this guy? He actually says something, advocate Ramsipien. And now they are going to hang on to that, but no, because Uramsipile said, because our Leonard friend said that it's not right for an accused person to be confronted by both of us, let me continue doing the work. Do you guys remember that I questioned Uguti? I thought Uguti Baloyi might be the one that is doing a cross-examination. What if all of this is a ploy to get Baloyi on the podium? Because he was not the entire time. What if this entire arguments and everything is a ploy for Baloyi to actually be the one that is doing cross-examination? What if Monday comes and then the person that actually asked question ends up being Baloyi? And we already saw that it's going to be Baloyi. Some of us, we use Mohodu Mosi. We saw Uguti Baloyi is the one that is going to do the, but we just don't know how. Now they needed a reason or a way to put Baloyi in the podium. And they created this scenario. And now this scenario has brought Baloyi back into the podium. What if that is what we were dealing with all this drama that happened in these 2 weeks, this plus minus 7 days, because, yeah, the entire week that was lost. What if it was about that? Do you think I'm bluffing or I'm reaching when I'm thinking like that? Don't be surprised. Okay, let me put it this way. Don't be surprised if you see Baloyi being the one that is doing the cross-examination. Don't be surprised also if Ujat Raja decides, now you guys are not going to get the Section 205. Don't be surprised. Also, do not be surprised if Ujat Raja decides, oh, it's relevant. This is the law that I bring, and it supports the state, blah, 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 blah. And then he will give his reasons, and then he will claim in the interest of justice. Yes, that's what he will claim. Even if he doesn't claim it on behalf of state, he will say in the interest of justice, states cannot be allowed to do that at this stage. If they want to do it, they must apply to open their case, as the defense rightfully said so. He might say that, but the one thing that they were after is Baloyi being at the podium and wanted to find a way of putting him in a podium. Could be. But that will be a low blow, ne? In a sense of that will be a below the belt low from them, because you wasted time, bro. You wasted time. Not just time, you wasted an entire week. What if Judge Rata comes back also on Monday, guys, and tell us actually, you know what, what is this? The ruling, I decided that we will incorporate it with the verdict. Don't be surprised if those things happen because they needed a way to make sure that the state, the person that is going to represent the state and is going to do a cross-examination is Baloyi. Perhaps there were questions that were asked, why would you give Usibanda at this particular important time? This is a crucial witness that needs you. And they call him a black excellence. What if someone was like, hi, Bo, what do you mean you are going to give Sibanda the one person that is crucial? You are the one that must deal with this. What if that is the case? I could be very wrong, but I want to hear from you. Did you think about this and think through? Think it through, Guti. They are just wasting time. The way Judge Rata was like, Andy, I don't know. What are your thoughts? Guys, I think Tina, people that are watching the Senzo Mewa case religious, Tina. We are suspicious of every move, every inch, everything. We are suspicious of it because the state showed us flames. The state showed us not to trust anything or anyone. So because of that now, hi son, it's not easy to trust anything that is said by Ubaloyi Usibanda. It's not. You need to verify even izinto ezikhulunywa nguJudge Rata. You need to verify them because uJudge Rata knows how to be selective when it comes to the evidence and intentionally understand it ngendlela engeyiyo. These are the same people that wanted 2% DNA to be present at the Khumalo home, Nabo Gininda. And these people are educated. And DNA is taught where? In high school. You just when you go to varsity, you just go on extensive classes on it because perhaps you are going to specialize and become someone who is able to test things like this and that. So I don't know, but I'm just saying, Ugoti, do you realize Uba Ababantu will do anything for their case? And Ubalui is not scared of anything, guys. He will go all avenues to win this case. Now I even have a question. Let's say Judge Rata finds the guy is guilty for whatever reason, because from where I'm standing and from the understanding of the what you call how I understand the evidence in that courtroom, he has nothing to find them guilty on. But if it happens, if then they go and what you call appeal the case and they win the appeal, did Baloyi win? Does that mean he won? I'm just asking. No, it's a simple question, Andilu. But anyway, back to what we were saying. Now, my thing is, chances are the entire drama was orchestrated. The lost time, the entire drama of the Section 205 of Mabungu was just orchestrated so that Ubaloyi can have the podium. They didn't know how to put Ubaloyi with podium. Could be very wrong. This is just me dissecting what I see happening in that courtroom. I could be very wrong, but do you think I am very far with my thoughts, or do you think they're right? Let's talk comment section. I want to hear your views about that because I'm sitting here thinking Baloyi wants the podium and he didn't know how to get there. Okay? He didn't know how to get to the podium. Now he needed a plan. And the plan was to mention the Section 205 of Mabungu. And he knew the defense will fight. He knew the defense won't just, he knew they will fight. So he knows now. I think even the disrespect, he's left with gaslighting right now. And yes, the disrespect is there, but deep down he knows he can't just disrespect these guys and get away with it. They come guns blazing like nobody's business. Oh, they fetch him all the damn time. Every opportunity defense gets, they fetch Ubaloyi. Every opportunity, they fetch him. They call him into order. They tell him where to get off. They don't have time. They fetch him. They fetch even uJudge Ratha. They don't give a shit about Usibanda. But these two, oh, they fetched it. What are your thoughts when it comes to this? Do you think I'm fetching something water from the river, or I'm getting water with a bucket elvuzayo? I want to hear from you. Thank you so much. I'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye.